Lester, good evening. Florida's governor estimates that about 25,000 people have already evacuated the Keys. Authorities further north are planning to close schools and open shelters. And there are now emergency declarations in 4 states, Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas. South Florida now in Irma's destructive path as the ferocious storm shows no signs of weakening.
The quicker we get out of here, the better.
In the Florida Keys, an exodus is underway. Tonight, mandatory evacuation orders in effect. Businesses boarding up. Thousands cramming onto US 1, the only way out.
We're evacuating. 5's a little too scary.
It's a madhouse. I don't want to run out of gas on the road.
GasBuddy.com reports that at least a quarter of stations in the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area are out. Keith Croft is on the hunt for fuel.
Hope for the best, prepare for the worst.
Irma's new track has it threatening not just Florida, but Georgia, where they're sandbagging in Savannah. The Atlanta Motor Speedway opening its campgrounds for Irma's evacuees. In North Carolina, the National Guard is on the move.
We are urging all people in North Carolina to be prepared for the impacts of Hurricane Irma.
Like previous monster storms Hugo, Floyd, and Ivan, Irma is what's known as a classic Cape Verde hurricane formed off the west coast of Africa. They're typically among the most intense.
This storm is bigger, faster, and stronger than Hurricane Andrew.
Andrew sliced through South Florida and Louisiana 25 years ago, killing dozens, damaging 125,000 homes, and causing more than $25 billion in damage. With airlines canceling flights later this week and prices skyrocketing.
Here we are in a little Sprinter RV headed down to Fort Myers, Florida.
The Pryor family borrowed an RV and drove 16 hours overnight from Richmond, Virginia to Fort Myers to rescue 93-year-old Grandma Janet and her friend Beverly.
And they're in.
Tonight, they're among the millions desperately trying to escape the most powerful Atlantic storm in memory. Gabe Gutierrez, NBC News, Key Largo, Florida.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.